welcome to the Reluctant Chef. Today I'm going to show you our new cherry pitter. So our cherry pitter can be used for cherries or olives, depending upon whether you add this insert in, which will hold your olives, which are a little bit smaller than the cherries. You can do 4 at a time, and this little container can hold well over 100 pits. So it's great. You just stick them in, and we're going to the beach in a minute, so I am bringing some smackaroos. Just stick them in, push, and then put it into a little bowl or a container. That is it. That's how easy it is. I probably should have pulled the stems off, but super easy to do. Whoops. I lost one. Man down, man down. Whoops. There we go. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Fast and easy. So, what would you do? Olives or cherries? Vote below.